Audio version of the article by Alexander Ovsyannikov, founder of Real Estate Group, Exploring London's Luxury Real Estate. A comprehensive guide for international buyers and investors in under-construction apartments. Chapter 7 of 7. Want to buy real estate in London? Write a request in WhatsApp +7 977 376 54 28 and Real Estate Group will find the best options for you. Everyone buys with us. Read the beginning in Chapter 6. Chapter 7. Profit and Taxes in Investment Strategy. Investing in an apartment in a London building under construction can yield substantial profits, but it also comes with tax implications. In this chapter, Real Estate Group will look at the profit potential as well as taxes and considerations for those pursuing an investment strategy in the London real estate market. Section 1. Profit Potential. Investing in a property under construction can offer several avenues for profit. 1. Capital appreciation. As the property market in London tends to appreciate over time, investors can benefit from the potential increase in property value between the reservation and completion stages. 2. Rental income. If your intention is to generate rental income, London's strong rental market can provide a steady stream of income from your investment. 3. Short-term gains. Some investors opt for short-term gains by selling the property upon completion, capitalizing on the rise in market value. Mitigation strategies. Long-term vision. Consider the advantages of holding the property for an extended period to maximize capital appreciation. Real estate investments often perform well over time. Diversification. Diversify your investment portfolio by exploring different types of properties and locations to spread risk and increase potential profit opportunities. Section 2. Capital gains tax. In the UK, capital gains tax (CGT) applies to the profit made from selling a property that is not your primary residence. It's essential to understand the tax implications of your investment strategy. 1. Rates. The capital gains tax rate in the UK varies depending on your income tax bracket, but it is generally 10% for basic rate taxpayers and 20% for higher rate taxpayers. These rates may change, so check the current rates with the UK government. 2. Annual exemptions. The UK offers an annual tax-free allowance for capital gains, known as the annual exempt amount. This allows you to earn a certain amount of profit each year without incurring CGT. Mitigation strategies. Tax planning. Consult with a tax advisor or accountant to understand your CGT obligations and consider tax planning strategies to optimize your returns. Utilize annual exemptions. If you have multiple properties or assets subject to CGT, utilize the annual exemptions efficiently to minimize tax liability. Section 3. Rental income tax. If you plan to generate rental income from your property investment, you must consider the tax implications. 1. Income tax. Rental income is subject to income tax. The amount of tax you pay depends on your total rental income and your other sources of income. 2. Allowable expenses. You can deduct allowable expenses, such as property management fees, maintenance costs, and mortgage interest from your rental income to reduce your taxable income. Mitigation strategies. Record keeping. Maintain accurate records of your rental income and expenses to facilitate tax reporting and ensure you claim all allowable deductions. Tax efficiency. Seek professional tax advice to optimize your tax efficiency, taking advantage of available allowances and deductions. Section 4. Additional taxes and considerations. In addition to capital gains tax and rental income tax, there are other factors and taxes to consider. 1. Inheritance tax. Plan for inheritance tax implications, especially if you intend to pass your property to heirs. 2. Stamp duty land tax (SDLT). Be aware of any SDLT obligations related to property purchases. 3. Non-resident landlord scheme. If you're a non-UK resident landlord, familiarize yourself with the non-resident landlord scheme and its requirements. 4. Property management. If you plan to rent out your property, consider engaging a professional property management service to handle the day-to-day operations and compliance with relevant regulations. 5. Currency exchange. International investors should continue to monitor currency exchange rates as fluctuations can impact both profits and tax obligations. Understanding the potential for profit and the associated tax implications is essential for investors in the London property market. By staying informed, planning strategically, and seeking professional advice when necessary, you can optimize your returns and ensure compliance with tax regulations. Conclusion: in the pursuit of buying an apartment in a London building under construction, the journey is not just a transaction, it's an investment in a dynamic and thriving market. Each step in this process is a deliberate move towards securing a piece of London's luxury real estate landscape. Real Estate Group has covered the essentials and strategies in 7 chapters to help you as a buyer. Whether you want to make London your home or are looking for a profitable investment opportunity, starting with the crucial task of choosing the right real estate agency, you've learned how a reputable agency with local expertise can be your guiding light. Their knowledge, connections, and experience are invaluable resources on your path to property ownership. Defining your property requirements was the next step, where you honed in on your vision for the perfect apartment. Location, size, features, and lifestyle preferences all play a role in shaping your property wish list. Identifying the right development is a crucial phase that marries your desires with the available opportunities. Delving into the details of the building under construction, its developer's reputation, and the neighborhood dynamics helps you make informed choices. The buying process itself is a multifaceted journey encompassing property viewings, reservation, purchase contracts, and payment milestones. Understanding the process and the documents involved is pivotal in safeguarding your interests. Additional costs and taxes are a fundamental aspect of property transactions. Real Estate Group has looked in detail at issues such as stamp duty, legal costs, ongoing maintenance and servicing costs, and offer you insight into financial planning and cost management techniques. Managing risks and delays is a chapter that prepares you for unforeseen circumstances. Whether it's construction delays, market fluctuations, or currency exchange risks, your knowledge of these challenges is your first line of defense. Finally, we explored profit and taxes in an investment strategy. Understanding the potential for profit, along with the tax implications, will help you make informed decisions regarding your investment. As you embark on this exciting journey, envision yourself as a well-informed and empowered buyer. Your vision for the ideal London apartment can now be realized with confidence and knowledge. With the right real estate agency by your side and a deep understanding of the market, you are well equipped to navigate the complexities of buying an apartment in a London building under construction. Your future in London's luxury real estate market is bright, and the journey is a testament to your discerning choices and aspiration. Welcome to the world of London real estate, where possibilities are as vast as the city itself. Want to buy real estate in London? Write a request in WhatsApp +7 977 376 5428, and Real Estate Group will find the best options for you. Everyone buys with us.